first thing that we do is cut the top edge of the roofing poles flush with each other. We screwed down a 2x4 guide and then used a chainsaw resting against that guide to cut a straight line across. Next, a 2x12 is mounted to the now flush edge of the roofing poles. This will provide a flat surface for the facade pieces to be attached. The roofing plastic is then folded over the 2x12 and stapled down. The plastic goes over the 2x12 but underneath the facade pieces.
So here we have one of the finished pieces of the facade. So we start off with a piece of mill end, which is the last piece that we get from our mill. I secure it to the sawhorse upside down. Use a straight edge to make a nice straight edge to put against the guide of the chop saw. Then I take it to the chop saw and I cut it into about 15-inch sections using a jig, a push jig. Then turn it to the table saw, and then I run it through twice in order to square it up and get enough meat so that we can butt them up against each other. And then back to the chop saw, I readjust for a compound, actually just a 11-degree angle. For the drip edge, so it drips onto the berm shed, and then the cap piece will actually have a drip edge underneath it, which is just a slot. So this is the very top of our facade. Now I'm going to have a string line at the top where I've been following, and they're level and plumb and in line. And so basically I just have to put the board, the saw piece, flush at the bottom, flush at the top, put a couple screws in, and find out where my boards are back there. Okay, they're back the middle-ish.
The top is simply a single entire mill end that is mounted long ways.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about natural building, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.